Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie at home without egg. We'll cover essential egg substitutes for your fillings, ensuring they're perfectly set and delicious. Then, we'll dive into crafting a wonderfully flaky and tender pie crust from scratch. Finally, I'll share tips for baking your pie to golden perfection and adding those delightful finishing touches. Get ready to bake some amazing egg-free pies. Replacing eggs in pie fillings is simpler than you might think. For thickening, cornstarch or flour work wonders, often used in a slurry. Pureed fruits or vegetables like pumpkin or banana add natural moisture and body. Dairy options such as yogurt or sour cream can also help bind ingredients, while silken tofu offers a fantastic creamy texture, especially for custard-like pies. These alternatives ensure your filling sets beautifully. Creating a flaky, tender pie crust without eggs is all about technique. Start with very cold butter or shortening, cut into small pieces to create steam pockets during baking. Use ice water sparingly to bring the dough together, which helps prevent gluten from developing too much. Avoid overworking the dough, handle it just enough to form a disc. Finally, blind bake your crust to ensure a perfectly crisp bottom, especially for wet fillings. Baking your egg-free pie to perfection requires attention to detail. Ensure your oven is preheated to the correct temperature for even cooking. Keep an eye on your pie. The crust should be golden brown, and the filling should appear set with only a slight jiggle in the center. Most importantly, allow your pie to cool completely before slicing. This step is crucial for the filling to fully set, ensuring a clean cut and delicious texture. Enjoy with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.